Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Allen Company's Tuesday, July 26th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You had beans coming in, bouncing off some support levels here, being up about anywhere from 6 to 11 cents majority of the day, closed up about 8 to 9 cents across the board. Weaker trade for both corn and wheat. Corn's really been trying to stay steady on the day for a majority of it, but it seems like they usually have something tugging down on it. Today was wheat market, so they closed down just over 2 cents lower, and the wheat market actually down 10 to 11 cents. So it looks like wheat has found itself in a little bit of a range here, about a 30-cent range, finding the top and then coming down and selling off and bouncing off some support lines there. So it is really tried and true. It looks like around anywhere from like 425 on that front month of Kansas City wheat is where it really finds that pressure. Meat markets, it looked like a little bit of higher trade for both live cattle, feeder cattle, coming off of limit higher days yesterday. So live cattle up about $1.50, same in feeder cattle. Lean hogs actually just over $1 lower on its front month of August. Then those outside markets just a little bit lower across the board. So not a whole lot going in these markets today. Very quiet as it's searching for some sort of news to kind of push them into a direction. You probably next chance at that for some definite news would be export sales data on Thursday, so 2 days from now, as far as the grains go. Maybe if you see a change in the weather models, but for the most part, everything's looking really good for majority of models as far as conditions go. Meat markets, what's going to be the deciding factor as far as this rally goes, extending it or kind of putting a top on it, is going to be cash sales later in the week. Other than that, there's very limited news as we come into August, waiting to see what USDA does to yield later in August 12th crop reports. We have a while before that. Otherwise, we're kind of just in a little bit of a range trade until we can catch some news. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.